Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error DNS probe finished NX domain, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. So a lot of other websites and channels are suggesting that you can simply flush the DNS and perform a lot of other troubleshooting steps. I say just reset the network and reset the browser and you're done with it. Why? Because when you reset the network, you are also flushing the DNS, you are also resetting TCP IP, you're doing a lot of things. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Okay, select network reset and then select reset now, and then you can reset it. The next one is to reset the browser. Okay, so let us say it is Microsoft Edge. I usually prefer this browser these days because it's Chromium based anyway. So here's what you can do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select settings. Go to reset settings, select restore settings to the default value and reset it. And lastly, you can update the network drivers. So here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.